Decline weighted sit-up. Glutes and hamstrings anchor the pelvis. This prevents lower back arch during spinal flexion. Rectus abdominis is the primary mover. Complete the controlled reps. Begin the decline bench crunch by lowering your torso. Crunch up, contracting your abs and obliques. Hold at peak contraction, glutes and hams tight. Control the release, keeping tension on your core. Repeat for max burn. Engage your glutes and hamstrings to stabilize your core. Exhale as you crunch up, keeping tension in your posterior chain. Control the descent to maximize muscle activation. Eccentric lower, engaging the posterior chain. Crunch phase, rectus focus. Rep 8, glutes and hams engaged. Rep 9, control the negative. Final rep, hold strong. Pull up abs on decline bench, lower abs and posterior chain. Lift your legs in a controlled arc, engaging your core. Hold the peak, then lower with control. Feel the stabilizers fire. 3, 2, 1, decline sit-up. Crunch up, engaging your glutes and hamstrings. Breathe out in the crunch. Lower with control, repeat. Posterior chain recruitment at 85%.
Decline reverse crunches heavily recruit the glutes and hamstrings. Use a posterior tilt and glute squeeze for max core burn. Feel the posterior chain fire up. Keep the reps controlled.
Drive through your heels to fire up the glutes and hamstrings. Squeeze at the top. Feel that glute ham tie-in. Hold for 2 seconds, then control the descent. Keep the reps smooth and focused.
Decline crunches engage more than your abs. They activate your glutes and hamstrings. Watch the fibers fire with each rep. Posterior chain engaged at over 90%. Decline weighted sit-up targets abs and posterior chain. Lower slowly, 3 seconds. Explosive curl up. Repeat, control the eccentric, power the concentric.
Decline bench pull-up crunch, rep 7. Pull your hips up, engaging glutes and hams. Squeeze at the top, then lower with control. Rep 12, hold the activation.
Reverse crunch pull-up. Engage your lower abs and glutes. Pull your knees towards your chest in a controlled arc. Squeeze at the top, then lower with control. Repeat for a full set.
Exhale as you crunch up, engaging your core. Hold for 3 seconds. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale and lower with control. Keep the reps steady and focused.